Okay guys, happy Sunday. This is just a new trumpet that Papa bought this week. I really enjoyed myself playing this trumpet today. This is Blessing, and that's Victor, and that's Chris enjoying themselves. I love this groove and I enjoyed it. So let me just leave you to just listen to the rest of the groove that we are playing after the service.